Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a pretty cool car. You don't see these around a lot. It's a 1988 35th anniversary triple white Corvette. I got the owner John here. He's going to tell us a little bit about it. How are we doing today, John?
Hey, how you doing?
Good. You don't see these around a lot.
No, it's been my baby for the past 20 years, and always took care of it.
You were in the service station business
gas
also.
Station business, 30 years.
So you kind of
Always did it, prided myself on doing it myself. Brakes, rotors, tranny, exhaust, window motors, power antenna motor, transmission. Has the overdrive transmission that you shift once you get over 50. It's full automatic, but it drops into an overdrive.
Oh, that's nice. This gives you good gas mileage and it makes a nice comfortable ride.
And that was the start of the digital dash, which is all functional.
Super iconic, right?
Exactly right.
Man, back in the day, this was the shizzle.
They broke through the, that was probably one of the first digital dashes.
Yep. 1988. I think Buick may have had it in 87 with the Grand National. But it was iconic, really cool.
Yeah.
So everything works, huh?
Yeah.
Right down to the air conditioning.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. It's the only thing I did on that is change from the Freon 12 to the 134A.
Oh, good.
So that we could still put Freon on.
Well, so you did the valve and everything. It makes it real nice and cold, that new Freon. Harming the environment.
With the top off.
Yeah, speaking of tops, you got two tops. You got a painted black and
one painted black and one's a
transparent.
Smoked out transparent.
Those are hard to find.
Yeah, that's an original one. That's only about 2 months old.
Oh wow, cool.
Rolling just back from age.
Yeah. I think they made about 2,000 of these. And what number is this? 17? 20.
Right here.
Yeah. And there she is, fuel injected 5.7.
Yeah. 2.4 fuel injection.
And these motors run forever. Nice and reliable, right?
Yeah, absolutely. The 350 is based on that and the straight six-cylinder.
Yep.
General Motors built the company.
Yep.
Those two motors, really.
It's an iconic motor.
Yeah.
Even the under the hood lights work.
The headlight doors are going to be built. The alternator change, the water pump, hoses, belts. It's a good ride we're running.
That's nice. Yep, rubber's nice. These are the Eagle GS's.
Yeah.
This is the original type of tire that goes on this car, right?
Yep.
P275 40 ZR17s.
Everything, like I said, bring it back to regular, bring it to bond.
Cool. I like how you still have the original style exhaust with the shielding and everything on it. It's not like molested, it's all original.
It was never driven in the snow or the rain, so you can go out step and it's in shape.
Cool.
I can pop the rear console for you. Shoot it out there.
Love these anniversary cars. We got 65.
Get in there at 65
893 original miles. And how long have you owned it? 20 years or so, right? You've owned it about 20 years?
Yeah, approximately.
It's got the Bose sound system, tilt. These cars came pretty loaded. Power seats, automatic temperature control, digital dash.
Comes with a tool, little tool to remove the.
There's an RPO sticker.
It's in there. See the little ratchet with a
Yeah, I know.
little back here. You got the security screen. Comes out. Hooks up in there. Right, we'll see. Original floor mats underneath that cloth, right? They put it down so they don't get dirty, but those are real home mats.
Oh wow, cool. Yeah, see that. Those are hard to get. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Thank you so much for showing us your car, John. It's definitely pretty cool. We're at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.
Great.